What's up, YouTubers? Today we'll be opening a mystery box I found at Princess Auto. Princess Auto is kind of the Canadian version of Harbor Freight, but maybe slightly more on the level. Let's have a look and see what's inside. See, it cost me an entire $15. So I guess we're going to determine whether or not there's $15 worth of merchandise in this box. Okay, there's a bunch of shit in here. Let's reach in and grab something at random. Ooh, a monster 6-foot coax cable. That's right there, like $100 worth of value if, you know, we still used coaxial cables and you wanted to purchase it from Monster. Ooh, a Roots Universal Neoprene Sports Armband. I could strap that onto my arm and put my flip phone in it, I guess. Oh, more Monster coax cable. This time, 25 feet of coax cable. Oh yeah, that right there. It's a good $200. I wonder just how much coax cable we can get in this mystery box. Oh, fuck me. More coax cable. Another 6 feet. In case I want to run my Nintendo a little bit further. We got here, it's the weather-resistant handlebar mount for mobile devices. It's kind of fun. I could slap my phone in that and stick it onto the bike that I don't have. Ooh, it is Matthew Berry's Fantasy Life coaster set. Made by fantasy football players for fantasy football players. Unfortunately, I am not a fantasy football player. I'm more of a fantasy Dungeons and Dragons player. Oh, we got a snap-on case for an iPhone 6. When was the iPhone 6 released? 2014. So if anybody has an iPhone 6 that they're still using, let me know. Oh, I think I got another one. Yep. So if anybody has 2 iPhone 6s, please put a note in the DMs and I will send you one. Getting down to the bottom here. 14-ounce bottle drink holder. That's kind of neat. It's one of those koozie bad boys where you can kind of slap a beer bottle in it. That's maybe the one useful thing I've gotten here so far. That's a solid 7 out of 10. Well, more fantasy beer coasters. I think this is the last thing. It's a mystery box. Is this just like a light? "12-volt lamp." Yeah, just an unwired pot light to take up space in my house. Now you might say, all of this is completely worthless, and you'd be right. This was very disappointing, but I did get this cool beer koozie drink holder. So, not an entire bust. Thanks for coming to my YouTube channel, and fuck off.